We were getting power bills of around 5 million previously. Right now we are getting power bills of 3 to 3.5 million. We are looking at 1.5 million shillings less every month. My name is Fredrick Kathusa. I am the CFO for Skanem Africa. Everything that is called a label and that will require a label, we can make it. For me, the first surprise is that you don't even notice that the system is there. I mean, I have not heard of, we have a breakdown on the solar system. The only time I get to know that it is there is when we see the reduced power bill. Because when I just look at the 1.5 million we save every month versus the initial investment of 33 million, it means we are going to be recovering the initial investment within 2 years. Skanem's global vision is to create a sustainable packaging solutions, and clearly this squarely fits into that by using solar, which is basically renewable energy that is not impacting the environment in a negative way. Basically, since inception, we have basically saved on 750 tons of carbon emissions for the 1.5 years that this system has been running. When I look at the capacity of the solar system that was installed of the 450 kilowatts, it giving us 90% of our power needs in the day means it's basically meeting the requirements. And then for the 1.5 years, we are looking at 24 million. So this is real money in the pocket. So for anyone who is on the fence about this solution by Chloride Exide, I would say just go for it.